Hi, I'm Brad, author of Milton.io. I'm just going to show you how to get started with the reference implementation. Alright, so let's have a look at the GitHub site. That's where Milton's source code is. So just go on to Milton 2. There's your URL that you need to clone. Now I'm using NetBeans for this example, but everything runs from the command line and Maven, so you can use command line or your favorite IDE. To check out that repository, I will just put it in there and press next. But I've already done that, so I won't bother. And I've checked it out here. I'll open that as a project. Again, this is just NetBeans is just opening it as a Maven project. And then I'm just going to build that. That builds all of the modules in Milton. The first time you run this, it has to download a bunch of jars, and that can take about 10 minutes or so. It's going to be a bit quicker for me. I've got most of it, but I've just done a spring upgrade, so it's just downloading those jars. There we go. So now we're going to show using the reference implementation. So we'll open that project. That's under examples. Now what this project is it's just a really simple implementation of Milton. You can see the source code is in here under my company package, and it's all just have a look in T resource factory. That's where it sets up the data that we're going to see. You can see it creates 3 users, user A, B and C, each with password is just password. So to run that we need to run the Jetty run goal. And again, I'll do that from the IDE. It's just that. You can do it from the command line as well. It just runs. You can see it up there. It's a bit verbose, but basically you just do Maven Jetty run, and that should go. All right, that has started. So we'll leave that logs there where we can see them, and let's go to there we go, Windows Explorer. And we're going to add a network location, and it's running on localhost 8080. Call that, and I'll open a window, and there we go. Now this has cached my credentials from the last time I did this, but just log in with user A, capital A, and the password is just password. Now these are just some default folders that the reference implementation has created. We've got a files folder, and I can create a directory in here called, let's call it my vids. And by the way, you can see in the logs down here, you can see what's going on. If I refresh that, you can see all the stuff that's going on down there. And now I'm going to copy the video in there. Right, and let's just open that up. And there we go. Right, so that's actually, we've actually uploaded that file to our web server now, and we can look at that in a web browser. This is not sort of the real intention here, but the reference implementation just shows you how to integrate with a web browser view. If we go into the exact same URL, p user A files my vids, that's the folder I just created, and there's the file I've just uploaded. And I should be able to play that as well. I think VLC is doing something funny. Okay, that's it. So getting started with Milton is really easy. Once you're happy that you know what's going on there, you can fiddle with the code. You know, pop different bits of code in here to access your own database or web service or whatever it is you're trying to access. Okay, any questions? Please just drop a line on the Milton mailing list. See you later.